great pyramids and temples you can see today were not only constructed without animals or pulleys, but also carved in all their ornate intricacy without metal tools. But despite these challenges, the Maya flourished. The
He's like, no, quite.